Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series lawn tractor. So this is my XT1 LT46. It has the Kohler 7000 series engine that is 23 horsepower. So to do this job, I bought the Kohler 7000 series engine maintenance kit. I got this right off Cub Cadet's website. I'll put a link below the video if you want to check it out. But this fits all the Kohler 7000 series engines from 20 to 26 horsepower, and this is the way to get the best bang for your buck, just buying it all together. It comes with the oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, and your spark plugs. And here is the air filter out of that kit. Now you can clean these from time to time. You can wash this pre-cleaner with soapy water and then rinse it out and just let it air dry, and then just tap the dirt out of the inner part. But today we're just going to replace it. Now this job is super simple but very important, and you need to do it every 50 hours of use. And I've got the hood off just to make it a little easier to film and show you what I'm doing. If you want to do it that way, I'll put a link in the corner of the screen to my video on how to do that right now. So this is the air filter cover. All you have to do is flip these levers out and then lift that off, and then we can remove the air filter. I'm going to pause the action for a second here. Don't let your air filter get this bad. You should replace the air filter every 50 hours, but you should check the pre-cleaner at least every 25 hours. The pre-cleaner is that turquoise piece of foam that's around the air filter, and check that every 25 hours and either clean it or replace it if it's dirty. Wow, that was way overdue. So now we're just going to lift that air filter up off the air intake, and we're ready to replace it. Now before you install the new air filter, the manual for this engine actually recommends that you put a few drops of clean engine oil on this pre-cleaner and then squeeze out the excess and let it dry. And that's going to give you an extra layer of protection, because dirt and debris will stick to that pre-cleaner before it gets into your paper filter. Now a few days ago I changed my oil, and I actually forgot to save a little bit of that clean oil, so I don't have any right now on hand. I'm gonna have to go back and do that later. But since I'm gonna be doing it later, you want to clean this before you do that. So you're gonna clean this pre-cleaner with soapy water, rinse it out and just let it air dry, and then you can put some drops of clean engine oil on there. Now I know not everybody out there does that. There's some mixed opinions, and some engines say to add oil to it, some say to not do that. Overall, I think it's a good idea because this manual recommends it, and it gives you an added layer of protection. But if you choose to not do it, just make sure you're checking your air filter more often, because it's just going to get dirtier quicker because you're removing a layer of protection. So I'm just going to put this on the air intake. Make sure that it's seated all the way down. Then I'm going to put the cover back on and flip those levers back, pointing forward. And that's it. You got a new air filter and you're ready to go. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.